Your back affects your daily health. Welcome to another installment of Your Spine, Your Health.
Because you have a spine, it's important to understand what chiropractic care means to your health. Your health always starts with a regulatory college. In this case, the College of Chiropractors of BC serves to ensure you receive the appropriate diagnosis and care from a qualified chiropractic doctor today and tomorrow. That's also why BC's chiropractors fund research and education. Today I want to introduce you to Dr. Andre Bussieres, whose work will help increase awareness of evidence and best practice.
We know that in research that's been conducted across the world in medicine, for instance, that there's important gaps between what we know from science or from evidence and what practitioners do in practice. Between 30 to 40% of patients we know do not get the best care. So the evidence is there, but the practitioners are not using them for various reasons.
That's exactly what Dr. Bussieres is working on, a standardized approach to treatment to reduce what is called the evidence practice gap. This work will bring together other studies and trials in an accessible way in order to ultimately improve patient care.
Trials that have been designed to be able to compare one treatment to the other are extremely large in volumes. What we need to do then is to assess all of the evidence and from all of these different approaches that are within the scope of chiropractors. And so then we can compare the different approaches and be able to come up with some recommendation with regard to each approaches individually and combining these different approaches.
It's not just about analyzing data. It's critical to take into account each individual patient and keep them involved in the treatment process.
And there's a strategy called, an approach that's called GRADE that helps us in a very systematic way be able to propose recommendations. And there's an expert panel that will refine the recommendations so this is understandable and palatable both for providers, but also we target patients and decision makers so that the three level of the healthcare group that delivers this service will be able to benefit.
As you can see, it's not just about what we can do for you today. We're working to build a better tomorrow with better health outcomes for you. The College of Chiropractors of BC sets the standards for safety, outcomes, and your informed consent.